Once prepared, this wooden structure takes form as a sturdy table that can serve multiple uses at home or work. It becomes a strong surface for meals, study, or daily tasks, blending naturally with any room design. Wooden furniture not only adds warmth but also lasts for years when crafted with care. It supports sustainable living, using renewable materials while offering style and function. Such a build shows how patience creates reliable, practical furniture.